everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday night. I got my antlers on. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is it. This is not a drill. Got my curly hair going on here. Candle Day news from Bath and Body Works. Official app news. Mark your calendars. I had to come on tonight. I had to do it, you guys. This is exciting. Candle Day is starting early this year. This is going to be an early access event for app members. So make sure that you sign up to be a rewards app member in order to get early access to Candle Day. Oh my gosh, this is going to change a lot because now we have less time to get ready. So I got to talk about this. Early access is on December 1st from 8 p.m. until 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Online only. Online only. This is going to get crazy on Thursday night. Crazy. I will be here with you guys. It says to make your candle hauling as easy as possible, online shoppers may be placed in a virtual line. P.S. Candle Day is in stores and online for everyone December 2nd and the 3rd, which is Friday and Saturday. So online Thursday night starting at 8 p.m. It's going to be crazy that night, you guys. And then Thursday into Friday, the 8 to 12 a.m. we'll be shopping, and then Friday morning, the stores are going to open like ridiculously early for Candle Day. So this is going to get really crazy really fast. They've also got a couple of other screenshots. They're teasing out the early access, and they are teasing out some candles. Check it out. We have the cinnamon spiced vanilla and hot cocoa and cream mashup. That's going to be interesting. And Tipsy Elf. Tipsy Elf. I am assuming that is the butter rum eggnog. I actually have, check it out, right behind me. I have the original butter rum eggnog. And as you can see, got to show you, the design is very similar. So I am assuming it's going to be butter rum eggnog, only the wax is pink. Oh my gosh, this one is so good, you guys. This is the spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, and rich buttercream with shaved nutmeg. You guys know how much I've been talking about this candle over the years. It's like one of my favorites. So we'll see what that one's like. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Next up, we just have a couple of the Stripey collection, couple of classics here. They are teasing out this new design here for black tie. And then check it out. Remember earlier I mentioned Bath and Body Works usually does spring candles, a little fresh cut lilacs going on there. And then they just have frosted cranberry, dream bright. They've got some pro tips in here. Mark your calendar. Pour a cup of coffee. Yeah, this is going to get crazy really fast. I will have so much more information tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be our get ready day. I had so many technical difficulties today with my wish list, but I will have more tips on how to get ready. Now that we have more information, I'll have a lot more tips. They did do the queue. Was that last year or the year before? Lush does the queue all the time. It's a good idea. I like the queue because then you know how many minutes you have until like official like shop time. So we shall see how this goes down tomorrow. We shall see. Actually, it's not tomorrow. It's going to be Thursday. But tomorrow's going to be our prep day because we all have to get ready for Candle Day tomorrow, which is November 30th. So a lot of information coming at us fast. This was definitely a surprise that they're going to launch online on December 1st. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Anyway, we got to get ready. Hopefully, these candles, I just put up on Instagram a little reel of cedar and suede. I haven't even reviewed this one yet. I haven't even lit it up yet, but it's one of my favorites. I don't know, the smell of this is just so delicious. I love these glass lid candles. I'd like to get a second set of these during Candle Day. These are actually now added to my wish list, but they may be sold out. Who knows? Everyone's going to want these candles. Anyway, happy Tuesday night. Happy Candle Day countdown. This is it, you guys. Get ready. I will have more information tomorrow. Woohoo! I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.